Mabuhay! I am Roda May Alagos, 22 years old, a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management student in Central Philippine University. I am applying for a position in the front office, F&B, and housekeeping department. Hospitality is my passion. I enjoy creating meaningful experiences that make guests feel welcome, comfortable, and valued. Through my trainings and school experiences, I gained customer service skills, adaptability, and teamwork. I also took a leadership roles that taught me confidence, patience, and responsibility. I may still have more to learn, but I am hardworking, committed, and eager to grow in this industry. I believe I can contribute positively to your team. Thank you, and I look forward to the opportunity to be part of your organization.